testers to test out these 6 workshops. So this is the page that you can come to. The workshops we're looking at: Living the Law of Attraction, Rapid Reading Made Easy, Abundance for Life, Genius Code, Resiliency, and the Happiness Generator. So depending on when you're watching this, will either be still within the countdown or you've missed it. You'll maybe have to watch the replay. And what I want to do is I want to beta test some of the processes, exercises, workshops from some or all of these programs. So a little bit more here. You've got Abundance for Life. That's based on the Effortless Success course created by Jack Canfield, Chicken Soup for the Soul, and Dr. Paul Sheely, creator of photo reading. Abundance for Life is based on Paul Sheely's Life Self-Study course. The Rapid Reading Made Easy comes from the best of the wonderful photo reading and accelerated learning. That's how you can photo read at 25,000 words per minute, get through whole books in 5 minutes, and learn strategies to remember and recall what you've read. Number 4, we've got the Genius Code based on the work of Paul Sheely and the wonderful Win Wenger, PhD. Resiliency is based on the self-study course by Al Siebert, PhD, and with Dr. Paul Sheely. And the Happiness Generator evolved through the work, the writings, the program Happy for No Reason by Marcy Shimoff. So those are the 6 programs I'm going to be taking some pieces from as I beta test. I want to just get the sense of the flow. How do they, how do they run? What are the exercises like? How do those fit with the impact that I want to make? Do I want to make any shifts and changes, nuances, additions, etc.? Now, if you haven't yet completed the survey, take you about 50 seconds. That's less than 1 minute. I'd love to know which course you'd prefer to do in which order. So all you have to do is you log in, like click go, click on a button for the picture of the first course you'd like, click on a button for your second choice, click on a button for your third choice, click on a button for your fourth choice. And then the final question is, how would you like to do the training? Are you someone who prefers to do it online via video webinar? If so, is that one day? Just do it all in a day? Do you prefer modular, so you do break it down into shorter segments? Or are you someone who prefers to learn back in person? So you've got the opportunity to just click from one of the options there, and I've left a little space if you have a specific question you want me to get back to you. But aside from that, it's anonymous. Just make your choices, submit that, because I really want to get a sense of the order and sequence in which I roll these 6 courses out. And then there's a site here as well where you can read a lot more about the courses in a bit more detail. That's my transformationstm.exposure.co site, and this one is about the Unlock Your Potential. But that's it. So I'm anticipating about 2 hours 10 minutes or thereabouts as I cherry pick from some, or potentially all of them. I'd like to maybe include something from each of the 6 just so we get a flavour of what's coming. At the moment, if you're going to be joining me live and you're watching this in real time, you're on my e-newsletter list particularly, this is free. And if you've never met me before, a little bit of information here about me. You can press the thing where it says click profile, and that will open up with just a little bit more information about who I am, what I do. But yes, get yourself registered. The button is here right in the center, so you just have to add your name and email address so that the system can send you your invitation link, and that is taking place on Monday, this coming Monday, if you're watching this in real time. But yes, love to have you come. Give me your feedback. Let's test some of these things out. I want to get the sense and the flow in working with other people. And down here you can see some of the other things that I've been working on and doing by just clicking that, and it will take you then through to some of the other workshops. Right, thank you for watching. If you know someone who might be a good fit for testing these out, you might want to let them know, send them the link, send them the details, a lovely gift, GIFT, that you can send over to them. That would be absolutely amazing. So feel free to share across your socials, send it to someone directly, or if you've got an e-newsletter list, then feel free to put it in there. That would be amazing. And yes, I look forward to working with the beta testers, getting some feedback. If you've got any questions or queries, easiest way is to go to my main website. I'll say it and I'll spell it. It's www.transformationstm.com. You can see it there if you're watching this via video. It's F for Freddie, FORM for mother, MATIONSTM, as in trademark, so transformationstm.com. When you're on the website, easiest thing to do, there's a kind of what's new button, a red button, normally top right. So click on that, a panel will slide out, and then you can just have a little scroll down, see what's coming up. And if you look at the left-hand side of the transformationstm.com website, I'm still on my webinar platform website at the moment, but if you look down the left-hand side, you'll see a link where you can put yourself into my MailChimp e-newsletter, and that's where if I'm beta testing stuff out, maybe there's a process that I want to try out with a smaller group, one-to-one, etc., I tend to go to my e-newsletter first, and so they get first dibs. They also usually get special prices when I'm launching something and getting it out into the world. So make sure you've signed up to the e-newsletter list if you haven't already done so. Well, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Thank you for sharing. It's Marilyn Devonish, the Neuro Success Coach, and I shall leave it there, and I will see you for the beta testing.